The truck book. The truck book. Whoa. He's got a little truck. This is a scene from The Irishman. Come on over here. All right, Daniel. Truck book. Here you go, ready? Little truck. Ooh, cool. Trucks do important work, but they're fun to look at too.
Yeah.
Yeah, Wienermobile, 1935. Some of the early trucks were especially fun to see. One milk truck looked like a giant milk bottle, you see? Its shape told people what kind of work it did. Sewing machine truck, steam powered, 1910.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wienermobile, probably sold hot dogs. Early tank truck. Fifth Avenue bus, New York City, 1907. Model T truck, 1921. Model T fire engine. Early electric truck. Fire truck. That's the hose. That's the driver. Whoa. Trucks go everywhere and do all kinds of work.
Yeah.
They help people clean the streets and put out fires. Most trucks are built to carry heavy loads.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some are so big that they can even carry other trucks. This is a tractor trailer hauling new pickup trucks. So this is the tractor trailer, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 trucks on side of, there are 7 trucks on this truck. Whoa. Some trucks can go where there are no paved roads. An off-highway dump truck travels on dirt roads or rough fields. That's a Jeep.
Yeah.
This one can carry 85 tons of rock. What? That is as much as 17 elephants weigh. This thing is crazy looking. Dude. Specialty built trucks are needed to lift and move heavy things. The back of a dump truck tilts to let its load slide out. Cranes have a long arm called a boom that can lift heavy loads. A forklift truck has weights at the back of it so it can pick up heavy things without tipping over. See, it's got weights back here. So when it lifts things in the front, it doesn't go whoop. This is a crane. This is the cool stuff. Trucks move tons of earth to make new road. A backhoe digs, lifts, and dumps loads of dirt. A tractor hauls dirt away. A grader moves the roadbed smooth, makes the roadbed smooth by dragging a blade across the ground. Other trucks help by filling holes and smoothing out bumps. Here's the elevating scraper, lifts the ground to a certain elevation. The grader makes it nice and smooth. Payloader lifts and dumps things out of the way. What's up, buddy? He's waving to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a truck way in the back, a dump truck. He's probably getting all this stuff away from the site, and he goes, and he takes it away. We've seen a bunch of these. Trucks come in all shapes and sizes. Big sanitation trucks haul garbage away. Huge moving vans can carry enough furniture to fill a house. People selling hot dogs push small hand trucks along the street. Here's the vendor's truck. He's selling ice cream. Here's a hand truck. Hey, what do you want? You want 2 dogs? You want 3 dogs? How many dogs you want? This is the moving van. When you were first born, me and your mom had a bunch of these to pack and unload. Tons of fun. Here's a tank truck. See, these little things at the bottom will spit out whatever's in there. Gasoline, ethanol, grapefruit juice, tequila, whatever. This is a tractor with a tilt cab, so they can and then get to the engine and stuff. Here you go. In the forest, logging trucks can quickly do jobs that once took lumberjacks many days of work.
No.
Yeah. I should actually cut to a YouTube video of this thing because it's like beep.
No.
It's amazing. And we'll do that right now. In the forest, logging trucks can quickly do jobs that once took lumberjacks many days of work. A log feller grabs a tree with its long arm. In just a few seconds, its powerful blades cut right through the tree trunks. After the trees have been cut down, a grapple skidder gathers them up with its claw. Then it drags them to the loading area. A log loader picks up logs and stacks them on a truck. A big tractor trailer, yeah, you see that? It's going. Yeah. Grabs the trees, puts them on a tractor trailer. A log loader picks up logs and stacks them on a truck. A big tractor trailer carries the logs to the lumber mill, where they will be cut into boards or all kinds of different stuff. Special trucks do other special jobs. Some trucks tow broken down cars or heavy machines. That's an armored truck. I'm gonna put you in there, guard you. Nobody comes near to Daniel. Special trucks do other special jobs. Some trucks tow broken down cars or heavy machines. Refrigerator trucks take food to the stores and restaurants. And a cherry picker lifts workers up high so they can work on wires and lights above the street. Cherry picker. Armored truck. This is called a gooseneck trailer hauling a bulldozer. Refrigerator truck, truck scooter. I feel like this is very French. I'm going to the boulangerie to pick up one perfect ingredient for dinner. Tank truck. You're a scary monster. Look at these guys. There are trucks built for people to live in, at least when they go on vacation. They drive from place to place and stop off at campgrounds. At night, they sleep inside their camper trucks. Some small trailers have tents attached to them. Other campers are vans. Their roofs lift up so that people can walk around inside. Most big motorhomes have their own bathroom and kitchen. Cool. When the fire station is quiet, firefighters clean the trucks and check on ladders and hoses. Then when there's a fire, the trucks get ready to go. Sirens scream, bells ring, and lights flash, telling people on the street to move out of the way. The hook and ladder truck helps firefighters reach the top floors of tall buildings. The pumper sends water through the hoses to put out the fire. Those are called Dalmatians. Canine crunchies are so sweet, they are such a delicious treat. A new building is going up. Cranes lift beams and pipes, batches of concrete, and sections of wall to the top floors of the new building. The truck mixes water, clay, limestone, and gravel to make concrete. concrete comes out of a chute at the back of the truck. Concrete is used to make sidewalks, floors, and the foundations of buildings. Almost done.
No.
Buses carry people to stores, schools, offices, and factories.
No.
Some cities like London and New York have double-decker buses. It's fun to ride upstairs.
No.
Yellow school buses have special signal lights that go on whenever the bus stops. These lights tell other drivers to stop until the children have crossed the street safely. Trucks carry books. Trucks carry bottles. Trucks cut holes in city streets so workers can fix things underground. Some trucks dig holes in the ground and put telephone poles in place. Other trucks help repair holes in the road. Tractors pull plows in farm fields. Special trucks drive on railroad tracks. Oh, cool. Bottle truck, cable carrier, bookmobile, pavement cutter, dump truck with snowplow. It's a farm tractor. Bottom dump truck and spreader. Tractor trailer with cab underneath. It's a glazier's truck. You see these carrying panes of glass. High lift truck. What are you doing, Daniel? Railroad track truck. Tent pole planter. Telephone pole planter. What are you doing? Uh-oh, there he is. You tired? Need a new diaper? Yeah, you do. Almost done. Everywhere you go, trucks are hard at work, and they are fun to look at. The end. I think that's my favorite truck.